Hello and welcome. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a page that you can actually put a clock on in order to run a clockwork funnel. Now all you'll need to do when you come to the dashboard is to go to My Pages, and then you can go to Create a New Page. When you get there, you're going to see several templates. The very first template at the top left, you're going to notice it says create a new page, and it doesn't have any writing or markings in there. That's because that is a drag and drop template that will allow you to start from scratch. So in this video, let's just go to that page. And once we get to this page, you're going to notice a couple of things. You're going to notice a left side menu with headers, menus, and all the things that you can add into the page. You're going to notice about halfway down, you're going to see your countdown clocks and your scarcity counter. So what you can do is you can actually create the page however you want it to look by dragging and dropping the elements that you want in the page. You don't want headers, you don't have to have them, or let's say that all you wanted to have was a video. And then perhaps all you really want to have is a buy button after that. If that's the case, you'd go to the buy buttons area and you'd be able to drag and drop a button here. Now in order to change the elements here in both of these sections, the video element, you're going to be able to make changes by using this menu that you get when you hover in the right hand corner. So you can actually change the block. You can set up a countdown clock within that element. You can add autoresponder information. You can change your background image, change colors, or anything else that you want to do. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're just going to edit this element and we're going to take out the button that's there. When I click inside of this element, you're going to notice right here at the top left that there is a WYSIWYG element. And this will allow you to make changes either to the font, to some of the text, cut and paste, and all of the things that you'll see typically in any kind of WYSIWYG editor. So we're going to just eliminate this button. And once we've done that, then we can then go to the second element. We click inside of that element, we're going to notice again, that there is a WYSIWYG element as well as a left side menu here. So we can actually make changes within this button. When we click the button, what you're going to notice is that we have a button menu to come up. And so we can change the text on that button. And we can direct that button to some place that we want it to go. In this particular case, I'm just going to put Google in here. We can change the color of that button if we want by clicking in here. If you know what color you want the button, you can actually change it. Don't want your button to have a border, you don't have to. And we can actually change the style of the font. And we can play around with the sizing. In this particular case, we're just going to click Save. And we have a button that is active. We can take out this number. Say that all we want is that button there showing there. And so this page element is now ready for us to add in any kind of clock or scarcity element that we want to add. So we'll do that in another video, but you now know how to use the drag and drop element in order to create a page from scratch. Thanks, and I'll see you in another video.